Hello to all my dear students. So up till now we had discussed the terminologies and formulas that we'll be using in this chapter, applications of trigonometry. So if you had not visited the previous two videos, please do visit them and understand the formulas and angle ratios, right? So children, now we'll start off with our NCERT exercise 9.1, page number is 203. Okay, so question number 1 is, a circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. क्या गिवन है कि एक सर्कस आर्टिस्ट है जो 20 मीटर लॉन्ग रोप को क्लाइंब कर रहा है, चढ़ रहा है, एंड द रोप इज टाइटली स्ट्रेच्ड. टाइटली स्ट्रेच्ड है, दैट मीन्स देयर इज नो स्लैक इन द रोप. रोप बिल्कुल टाइटली खींच के बांधी गई है. कहाँ से? फ्रॉम द टॉप ऑफ ए वर्टिकल पोल टू द ग्राउंड. वर्टिकल पोल से बांधी गई है. ए बी इज द वर्टिकल पोल हियर. द फिगर इज ऑलरेडी गिवन. ओके, एंड दिस इज द AC is that rope. C is the point where that rope is properly tied. So what you have to do, find the height of the pole. आपको height of the pole find out करनी है, that is AB. और जो angle बना रहा है rope with the ground level, that is given as 30 degree. So children, first thing is, whenever any kind of word problems are there, जब भी word problems आती है, try to divide the long sentences into smaller ones. split कर लो उनको और उसका meaning अच्छे से समझो, because first thing first is to make the diagram accurate. Although this is simpler question, in the first question, just for your convenience, diagram is already given, figure already given है, but as of आपको first of all figure खुद बनानी है correctly, because figure correct बन गई, that means आपका half question done है, right? So figure correct बनाओ, then establish the relation between what you have to find out and what is given in the question. आपको उन दोनों का लिंक देखना है कि क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, कौन सी साइड आपको फाइंड आउट करनी है और क्या चीज आपको गिवन है, उसमें किस रेशियोज कौन से, बाय यूजिंग ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज, दैट 6 ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज दैट वी हैड डिस्कस्ड, एंड सिंपल देन आपका फाइंड आउट हो जाएगा. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट नाउ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ड्रॉ द फिगर. दिस इज AB vertical pole. This is ground level, right? This is ground level. That rope is tightly stretched from the top of this pole to the ground at point C. ये vertical pole के top से C point पे किया है, and the angle which is made from the ground level is 30 degree. And given in the question is AC, which is length of rope, that is 20 meter. This is given. And we have to find the height of the pole. This we have to find out. You can either assume the height of the pole as h. आप h भी अपने आप assume कर सकते हैं. Suppose height of the pole is h, because h आपको अभी find out करना है, right? So first of all write the denotions कि आपका क्या क्या है, assume क्या किया है. Let AB is height of pole, and height of pole आपने assume किया है h meter. What else is given? AC is length of rope, and length of rope is given as 20 meter. And this is the triangle in right triangle. कौन सा है? ABC. Right? So now you have to link the relationship. Relation बनाओ known and unknown. मतलब जो आपको given है known है और जो unknown जो आपको find out करना है उसके बीच में. So आपको बताया गया राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल में देयर आर 3 एलिमेंट्स, परपेंडिकुलर, बेस एंड हाइपोटेन्यूज. सो इफ आई टॉक अबाउट दिस ट्राइंगल, since this is the given angle and opposite side of given angle is always perpendicular, that means AB is perpendicular and AC, that is slanting height, you very well know that this is hypotenuse. So perpendicular and hypotenuse, we are nowhere concerned about base. Base से हमें कुछ लेना देना नहीं है, because find out करना है perpendicular, given है hypotenuse. So now अब हम चेक करेंगे कि कौन सा फॉर्मूला बनता है, कौन सा ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो है जो hypotenuse and perpendicular से रिलेटेड है. So we will write पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर हर बोले. Right? This is sine, this is cos and tan. So perpendicular by hypotenuse, that means ये वाला फॉर्मूला sine. So यहाँ पे आपका sine का फॉर्मूला लगेगा. So this is very easy trick to remember the formulas of T ratios. So now sine, angle given is 30 degree. Sine is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So in this particular right triangle ABC, perpendicular is AB, hypotenuse is AC. Put the values. Sin 30 आपको बताया गया कि कैसे आपको टेबल ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज याद करना है, एंगुलर टेबल, ठीक है. सो sin 30 होता है आपके पास 1/2 AB. AB क्या है आपके पास? H. AC is 20. Put the given values, right? अब since we have to find the value of H, so do the cross multiplication. 1 into 20 is what? 120 is a 20. 2 into H is 2H. Implies find the value of H by dividing 20 with 2, right? Cancel it out. 2 tens are 20. So implies H is equals to 10. What was H? H क्या था आपके पास? H is height of the pole. ये तो आपको find out करना था. So always remember that in word problems you have to conclude the question by writing hence line. Hence line आपको लिखनी है. Concluding sentence, hence height of the pole is 10 meter. Right? So that's it. This was your first question. Moving on to second one. Let's read it. A tree breaks due to storm. एक पेड़ है जो आंधी आने से टूट गया है एंड द ब्रोकन पार्ट बेंड्स, और जो उसका ब्रोकन पार्ट है, जो ऊपर से पार्ट ब्रोक हो गया है स्टॉर्म की वजह से, वो बेंड हो गया है, झुक गया है, सो दैट द टॉप ऑफ द ट्री टचेस द ग्राउंड, और वो जो टॉप था ट्री का झुक के वो ग्राउंड पे आके टच हो रहा है, एंड दैट टचेस द ग्राउंड, दैट ट्री इज मेकिंग एन एंगल ऑफ 30 डिग्री विद इट, दैट ब्रोकन पार्ट इज मेकिंग एन एंगल ऑफ 30 डिग्री विद द ग्राउंड लेवल. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. आपको दूरी गिवन है, डिस्टेंस गिवन है, किसके बीच में? ट्री के फुट से, फुट ऑफ द ट्री से टू द पॉइंट जहां पे टॉप टच हो रहा है ग्राउंड को, दैट इज गिवन एज 8 मीटर. यू हैव टू फाइंड द हाइट ऑफ द ट्री. आपको हाइट ऑफ द ट्री फाइंड आउट करनी है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ड्रॉ द फिगर एक्यूरेटली. फिगर इज नॉट गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. सपोज दिस इज A and this is B. This is original height of tree before storm. Storm आने से पहले ये condition है, right? This is ground level. Now this is the original height of tree is AB. Now storm came, आंधी आ गई है, तो यहाँ पे suppose this is the breaking point. यहाँ से tree break हो गया है. कहाँ से? suppose ये point का नाम दे दिया आपने C. Now this broken part, that means BC, ये झुक के कहाँ पे आ गया? ग्राउंड लेवल पे. ये झुक के आपके आ गया है यहाँ पे, यहाँ पे. That means ये जो B पॉइंट है ये यहाँ पे आ गया नीचे, right? This is vertical tree, right? This is the foot of the tree from where the tree grows. और जहाँ पे आके टॉप टच हुआ है, ट्री का जो टॉप टच हो गया ग्राउंड पे, this distance is already given, which is 8 meter. And you have to find the height of the tree. What was the original height of tree? Height of the tree was AB. That means आपको AB find out करना है. Now one thing you notice children, first of all let's assume here, suppose जो पेड़ का भाग अभी खड़ा है, that is suppose this is X, and that broken part, the top part, suppose this is Y. So if this is Y, BC is Y, that means ये broken part, यही तो part आपका ground में गिरा है. So if this is Y, that means this part is also Y. Am I correct? This part is also Y because this is the broken part that bends, right? Now what we have to find? We have to find the AB, which was height of original height of tree, right? AB is equals to height of tree. So height of tree कितना हो गया? AB is what actually? AC plus BC, that means X plus Y. हमने denote किया है X और Y से. And what is the angle? Angle is also given, that my angle is making an angle of 30 degree with the ground. So first of all children, you have to write the denotions, that what is what? AB is the original height of tree before storm. Now here BC is equals to this part. If this is BCY, then this is also Y because this is only the broken part. Right? You have to define them first and then you have to move to the proper question. Now children, after defining all this, right, यहाँ पे आप लिख लेंगे C is the breaking point here, okay, and BC is equals to this BC and this is equals to Y, making angle of elevation is 30 degree. Now coming to the findings, हमें find out करना है X plus Y. So there is only one right angle triangle here, which is ABC. If I concentrate about on x only, firstly हम x find out करते हैं. What is given here is 8 meter, which is base, and opposite of given angle, that means this side is perpendicular. Perpendicular and base, what is the relation between perpendicular and base in terms of trigonometric ratios? So what we will do, अपना वही formula, पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर हर बोले, and this is sin, cos and tan. नाउ हमें फाइंड आउट करना है रिलेशन बिटवीन किसमें, दिस इज बेस, आपको एलिमेंट्स क्लियर होना चाहिए. दिस इज बेस एंड ऑपोजिट ऑफ दिस साइड इज परपेंडिकुलर, दैट मीन्स रिलेशन बिटवीन परपेंडिकुलर एंड बेस. परपेंडिकुलर एंड बेस के बीच में कौन सा रिलेशन आता है, दिस वन पी बी, दैट इज tan. ओके, सो व्हाट यू विल राइट इन राइट ट्राइंगल ABC, either you can write alphabetically as ABC, और अगर because यहाँ पे right angle 90 degree पे है, so you can write it as CAB or BAC. It's up to you. So I am writing here CAB because angle A is 90 degree. So now we will apply the formula of tan here. So tan angle is given as 30 degree. तो tan क्या होता है, perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by base, that means this is perpendicular CA and base is AB. Now put the values. Tan 30 degree, you must know this is the standard trigonometric angle, tan 30. Tan 30 is, children, 1 by root 3 equals to CA. What is CA here? CA is x upon AB. What is AB? AB is given, which is 8. Right? Now do the cross multiplication like so. 1 into 8 is 8. X into root 3 is, keep it as such. Now since we have to find the value of x, so x को यहीं छोड़ देंगे, take root 3 to denominator, it becomes 8 upon root 3. Right? So हमारे पास x की वैल्यू आ गई है. हमारे पास फोकस होना चाहिए what we have to find. हमें फाइंड आउट करना है x plus y. तो x की वैल्यू आ गई है, इसको फिलहाल होल्ड पे रख दो. कंसिडर इट एज इक्वेशन नंबर 1. नाउ फ्रॉम द सेम ट्राइंगल ABC, this time we have to find the value of y. Given क्या है, base, find out करना है y. Base and y is what? Element of right triangle. तो ये है hypotenuse. So base and hypotenuse this time. So base and hypotenuse, कौन सा relation है base and hypotenuse का? This time it is cos. पंडित बद्री प्रसाद, ये वाला. So base by hypotenuse, right? So now again in right triangle CAB, this time we will apply the formula of cos. Cos 30 degree is equals to, formula is base by hypotenuse, that is AB upon CB. So cos 30, right? Cos 30 is, children, root 3 by 2. So is equals to AB. What is AB? AB is 8 upon what is CB? CB is y. Children, do the cross multiplication. Root 3 into y is nothing but y into root 3. 2 8s are 16. So simply find the value of y by keeping y to left hand side, और जो remaining term है उसे shift कर दो to other side, it becomes 16 by root 3. अब y की value भी आ गई, so keep it as equation number 2. Now x and y both values आ गई हैं. What we have to find? X plus y. So therefore I am writing it here. Therefore height of tree is equals to, height of tree क्या था? X plus y. That means x is 8 upon root 3 from equation number 1. Y is 16 upon root 3 from equation number 2. Now since denominators are same, root 3, we can write it as one time. Simply solve it. 8 plus 16, and 8 plus 16 is 24 upon root 3. And children, you had already learned the concept of rationalization in class 9th, in which whenever there is a root term in denominator, you rationalize it. आप उसको रूट से ही मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड कर देंगे सेम नंबर से. सो 24 इंटू रूट थ्री अपॉन रूट 3. सो 24 इंटू रूट 3 इज 24 रूट 3, बट इन डिनोमिनेटर रूट 3 इंटू रूट 3 बिकम्स 3, सेम नंबर विद रूट्स. ठीक है, तो रूट कैंसिल हो जाएगा. 24 रूट 3 अपॉन 3. So it becomes 24 root 3 upon 3. Now cancel it out. 3 8s are 24. So we are left out with 8 root 3. Right? So 8 root 3 meter. This was the height of original height of tree AB. If in the question, children, if the value of root 3 is given as 1.732, then only you can multiply it with 8 into 1.732. Otherwise, this is the final answer. Right? So, you will write, hence, height of the tree is equals to, is 8 root 3 meter. Alright. So, this was your question number 2. Children, if you feel any doubt in any of the calculation or in understanding any point, you can ask to me in comment section also. Alright. So, this was your question number 2. In next video, I'll take up the next question. Thanks for watching. Keep studying.